What's up, guys? I am at the Menlo Mall. I'm going to show you guys how to get a 2 for the price of 1. Let's see, this is how it works. Select the drink after you insert your money. Quickly put your hand in the spot where the trap door is, and the belt will go back down if it doesn't go through, and it'll go back down. It'll give you your money back. And put your money back in, and select whatever you like. Select Sprite C5. Oh shoot, C3. We'll go with C3. Yep. And that's how you get a 2-in-1 from the vending machine. So if you enjoyed that trick, give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.